So you're all joined for Salesforce. Any one of you, please tell me, before I start the session, I need to discuss one important point here. In your syllabus, we are going to discuss 6 modules, guys. I'm going to cover 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module is configuration. The second one is development. Third one is integration. Last one is administration. So 1 minute, please, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hi,
sorry,
sir.
guys. Sorry. It's an important call for me.
Hello. What I need.
Administration.
Okay, sir.
We have something like what? Lightning. Everybody, please mute from your side, guys. Lightning and CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. These are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus the next 3 months of time. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sai Sir, before you proceed, I had one basic query. If you permit, shall I go ahead and ask?
Cannot go ahead.
So for example, you had given the 6 modules as of now here, right? Like I'm more interested, like suppose if I want to further excel myself and like learn more of development or more in depth with development with Lightning. So in that case, will this course would be good enough, or like will I have to further look for further courses to actually
Not required.
build myself on that?
Not required. Who is this? What's your name?
Dheeraj here.
Yeah, Dheeraj. Whatever modules we are going to cover next 6 months of time, so 3 months of time, that is enough for you to crack the job. Understand? You don't need to enhance your skills. That is more than,
right.
and whatever content I'm deliver the next 3 months of time down the line, that is more than enough for you to crack the job.
Thank you.
Understand?
Yes.
And apart from these 6 modules, every day I'm going to share the running notes. And also I'll give interview questions. And also we will discuss about some practice tests. And also I will share the running material, not running material, source material. And also we will discuss about the examination dumps, application dumps I'm talking. So these I'm going to provide for you guys. That is more than enough. With the help of this particular information, you can easily crack the job, Dheeraj. Clear?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much for that explanation.
Thank you. Where are you from,
Sir,
Dheeraj?
I have one more doubt, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
What about the modules you are delivering to us? So is this for fresher? Suppose someone fresher in this Salesforce. So is this good enough for this person?
Actually, this course is sufficient from fresher to 5 years experience. Understand?
Yeah.
Either a fresher you can attend the interview, or even 5 years experience also you can put, I can attend the interview, no problem. Clear?
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Gnan.
Yes,
I have a question. Will you provide us any live project, real-time project?
yeah. I will provide the project at the end of the 6 modules, but I cannot sit with you. Understand? I will guide you. That's okay.
That's fine. That's fine. But you will provide some project.
I will provide the project.
Oh. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Anything else?
Hi, will we be provided with the recorded sessions or how are
Yeah,
we going
recording
to
sessions
review?
also we will provide every day. Sorry.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, myself Subhashish Roy.
Yeah, Subhash, tell me.
I'm already in job. I'm posted as a system analyst in BITS, in Birla
Oh.
Institute of Technology.
Great, good.
And joining of this class or this course is only to get some ideas.
Okay.
I have a background of Oracle and PLSQL.
Oh, great. Okay.
Okay. Basically triggers and OOPS concept in DBMS.
Yeah.
Whether it will be convenient to learn this Salesforce.
Yeah. Actually, 7 years back, actually, I was into Salesforce last 7 years. Before 7 years, I was into Oracle side only.
Power BI.
I was into Oracle side.
Okay.
SQL and PLSQL.
Okay.
Almost
Thanks.
10 years I was into Oracle side, SQL, PLSQL developer.
So
actually, that knowledge really added advantage for me to understand what Salesforce is.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Understand?
Because
so I hope it's definitely beneficial for you because you already have the knowledge on PLSQL programming. So undoubtedly you can easily understand. Very simple point for your understanding purpose. Database point of view, we can call it as a table. Yes or no? Okay. But in Salesforce point of view, we can call it as S object.
Okay.
So there is much similarity between what Oracle database and what you call Salesforce. So the people who already have the knowledge in Oracle or Java or some other language, you can easily understand. You can easily cope up with this technology. Understand?
I'm used to with Python. Some.
Okay,
Java.
you already have the knowledge in Python. I hope you know about OOPS concept also. Sir, no?
Okay.
So that is definitely added advantage for you to understand the subject.
Okay.
No doubt.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. One more question.
So let me start the class, boss.
Yeah, one more doubt, sir. What is the prerequisite for this entire session?
First of all, let me clear. You do not require any kind of prior knowledge to understand Salesforce. First of all,
okay.
I'm requesting all of you. You do not require any kind of prior knowledge. I'm going to start from basics. Even a layman also can easily understand my session. Understand?
Actually, this is Sriram, this side.
Yeah, Sriram, go ahead.
A question regarding the hardware requirements. What do we need? Like, is a basic laptop enough or?
Basic laptop is enough, but make sure that internet speed is should good. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Hello.
Internet speed.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yeah,
Sabyasachi
good
this
evening.
side, sir.
Yeah.
Sabyasachi. Sir, actually, I want to know about is there any framework which is available for Salesforce
Not
or
required. Not required. Not required. It
not
required.
required?
Not required.
And I am from also sir Java background. Can I cope up with
Easily, very
Salesforce?
easily can understand.
Okay, okay.
As
Thank you,
course,
sir.
Hey, let us start the class. Let us start the session. Already half an hour completed.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir, will you teach the Apex language?
Yeah. Development, we are going to discuss about Apex only.
So all the things that are required for the development, that teach by you, right?
Yeah.
And the class is for daily basis or weekend batch?
Daily basis only. Every day 1 hour session, 8 to 9.
At PM, right? At night, na sir?
8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Apex
And-
do it in SFC?
So let us start the session. Let us start the class.
Sure, sir. Please start.
Thank you. Everybody, please mute from your side, except Dheeraj. The rest of all the people, please keep quiet. Dheeraj, you can talk with me. Dheeraj, are you there in the class? Dheeraj.
Yeah, I'm with you. Sorry, it took some time in order to unmute myself.
Yeah. Okay. Let me start the session. Except Dheeraj, rest of all the people, please keep quiet. Please mute from your side, okay? Dheeraj, I'm asking a simple question here. What is Salesforce? What do you think about Salesforce?
With my basic understanding about Salesforce is basically a CRM tool, which is more of like customization version of inbuilt software, inbuilt programmable software, based on which like customers' need can be fulfilled or the business scope can be fulfilled.
Okay. So ultimately, what is said is basically Salesforce is a CRM tool, right?
Yes, it's a CRM tool.
Okay. So I will make you to tell the answer what is Salesforce means. So before that, let me write some names on the screen here. Everybody, please observe carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle. I wrote some names on the screen. What are all these? Tell me. Dheeraj?
These are all the software companies.
Software companies. Very good. Very good. These are all software companies. Good. TCS, TTS. We have something like Capgemini,
Service-based company.
Accenture.
Service provider.
So there are so many companies in the world. What is the difference between these companies and these companies?
So the tools
Product-based and
They are the
service-based.
product-based
very
companies,
good.
and
These
the
are
rest
all,
is
I can call them as product-based companies. Or the other way around, we can call them as what? Vendor companies. What is this?
Vendor
And whereas TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro, these are all belongs to what? Service-based companies or development companies. So there are two different types of companies in IT market. In IT industry, we have two types of companies. First one is called product-based companies or vendor companies. Second one is called service-based companies or development companies. Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle, all these companies are comes under what? Product-based companies. And whereas TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture, these are all service-based companies. What is the difference between these two companies is product-based companies are those companies, they will develop software products like operating systems, some programming languages, some databases, like some packages, technologies. Everybody please mute. Some technologies, some applications. These are all comes under what? Software products. All these software products are developed by product-based companies or vendor companies. Suppose take the example of operating system. Very well-known operating system in the market, that is Windows. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company. Like that, IBM company developed one of the database product. Database product name is called DB2, Database 2. It is developed by vendor company called IBM. Like that, Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Gmail is an application which is developed by Google company. Like that, SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP. It stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. The proprietary language of Salesforce companies, sorry, SAP company. The programming language just like Java. Like that, Oracle company developed one of the database product name is called Oracle. In case of Oracle, company name and product name both are same. So according to my point, according to my explanation, what you understand is vendor companies are those companies, they developed what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, packages, technologies, applications. This all comes under what? Software products. Using these software products, the second type of companies like development companies, they will develop software applications. Using these products, development companies are developing what? Software applications. But for whom they will develop these applications? Development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of somebody else. Those people we can call them as clients. So clients are nothing but business people. They are doing business in the market. Those business people, we can technically call them as clients. There are different types of business domains in the market. There are different types of business domains or business verticals in the market, like telecom industries, like hospitals, like hotels, like automobiles, banks, insurance companies. These are different kinds of business in the market. Suppose take the example, you know about Airtel company. Airtel belongs to which company? Which business? Telecom business. Hospitals. I hope you know about Apollo hospitals, Air hospitals, KIMS hospitals. These all comes under hospital business. Like hotels, Taj group of hotels comes under hotel industry. Automobiles, like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Mahindra and Mahindra. So these people belong to what? Automobile industry. Even Tata. Banks. We have so many banks in the market. ICICI, HDFC, PI. So these all belongs to banking industry. Insurance companies like LIC, ICICI Lombard, Tata AAG. These are all comes under what? Insurance industries. Like that, development companies are developing software applications as per the client's requirement or business people requirement. So in total IT industry, we have three important persons are there. The first person is vendor companies. The second person is service-based companies, or development companies. And the third person is clients. So the relation between all the three people is vendor companies developing software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. That is a simple relation between all the three people. This is how the game is rotating here. I hope all of you understand up to this. Tell me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear,
Yes.
sir.
Everyone understand? Okay.
Yes.
Am I going fast?
No, it's fine.
No, it's
Am I
very
going the same pace?
Okay, sir.
No.
It is okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Everybody, please mute from your side. Everybody. So there are three important key players in IT industry. First player is vendor companies. Second person is vendor development companies. And the third one is clients. Vendor companies developing software products. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the client's requirement. So if you go to any bank, if you go to any hospital, if you go to any shopping mall, if you go to any restaurant, wherever you go, they are using what? Software applications in their business. My question is, if you go 40 years back, 50 years back, do we have telecom industries in the market?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir.
Why not? We have
Yes, BSNL.
BSNL.
Yes. And
Do we have
Motorola.
hospitals 40 years back? Yes, we have hospitals. Do we have hotels? Yes, we
Yes.
have hotels. Do we have automobile industries?
Yes.
Do we have banks?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have insurance companies?
Yes.
Yes. All these industries are there in the market, even 40, 50 years back also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But 40, 50 years back, if you go to any bank or any insurance company, they do not use what?
Software
Software applications in their business. Yes or no? They don't know what is software. They don't know a computer also. But they did the business without using software applications. Now they are doing the business using software applications. My question is, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of using software applications in their business? This is my question. Hope all of you understand the question clearly. What are the advantages of using software applications in their business?
Save the time.
Excellent answer. First advantage, it saves your time. Second advantage,
business automation.
Yeah, I will tell you the advantages. Second advantage is what? Security. The third advantage is what here?
Scalability.
Yes.
These are the three major advantages of using software applications in the business. The first advantage, time. Tell me, guys, time is most precious in everybody's life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Someone need to mute, please. Everybody, please mute. Except Dheeraj. Dheeraj, talk with me. Rest of all the people keep quiet. Dheeraj, where are you from?
Yes. I'm basically from Bihar.
Bihar. Bihar, which place? Patna?
It's 230 kilometers away from Patna, Saharsa.
Let us assume you are living in Patna, okay?
Okay.
And you are my friend. I'm living in Hyderabad right now.
Okay.
Clear? You and myself, both of the friends. I'm talking about 30 years back matter. Listen carefully, all of you, everybody in the classroom. Dheeraj and myself, both of the friends. He's living in Patna, myself living in Hyderabad. Both of the friends. He is having the account in SBI, State Bank of India. Understand? I am having the account in PNB. PNB stands for Punjab National Bank. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
40 years back, my friend Mr. Dheeraj asking 10,000 rupees. He requested me. Who's this? Who draw these lines? Are Dattatreya. Listen the class
Sorry,
careful, all
Sai.
of you. 40 years back, my friend asking me 10,000 rupees. I need to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account. Tell me, guys, what I have to do. I have to go to the bank, Punjab National Bank. There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. They given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I got the money, 10,000 rupees. I withdraw, and I need to walk down to where? SBI.
You need to get a demand draft and then post it to Dheeraj to Patna.
Okay.
And Dheeraj will
That is
submit
one
that
way.
demand
Or other
draft.
way. Other way is what I have to go to deposit form. Where I have to go?
Yeah.
SBI. There I need to take deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. There I can deposit the amount. Tell me, in this bank, I have to spend at least 30 minutes time to withdraw the money. In this bank, at least 30 minutes time to deposit the money. So approximately I have to spend near about 1.5 hour time to perform this particular transaction. Yes or no?
Yes.
Speak out everybody in the classroom. That is long back story. That is long back story. If I want to transfer the funds into my friend's account, I no need to go to the bank. I can simply open the net banking application. I can simply open what? Net banking application or mobile banking application.
Or UPI.
Yeah,
Or I
Phone
can
Pay,
use
Google
Phone Pay.
Paytm, like.
Or I can use Paytm, Google Pay. There are so many ways to transfer the funds into my friend's account within a span of minutes of time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, guys, what is net banking, mobile banking? What is Phone Pay, Google Pay? These are all software applications or not?
Yes, sir.
Using these software applications, I can easily transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account without wasting much time. So according to this example, what you understand is, if I'm using software application, it saves my time or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody in the class?
Definitely save the time, sir.
Yeah, that is the first advantage. The second advantage is security. What is the security here? Tell me, 40, 30 years back, if you want to buy anything outside in the market, we have to carry the cash with you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without carrying the cash, we cannot buy anything outside. Clear, all of you? I want to buy some groceries. I want to buy some provisions. Suppose I'm going to the supermarket. I want to buy fruits, some vegetables. Definitely have to carry the cash with me right now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, you no need to carry the cash. You can everything you can pay through what? Phone Pay or Google Pay or Paytm, or you can use your debit card or credit card, whatever it is. Yes or no? Once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting the security for your cash or not. Speak out. Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Yeah. So
Yes,
this is the
yes.
second advantage of what? Using
Software
software applications. The third advantage is scalability. What is the scalability here? As I said, my friend is staying in where? In Patna. And where I am staying? Hyderabad. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. If I want to deposit in his account, I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Patna. There I need to, and where I have to go? I have to go to the bank where my friend is open branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Why? Because this bank is different, this bank is different. This branch is different, this branch is different. 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch is working independently. One bank is nowhere related to what? Other bank. One branch is nowhere related to other branch. That is a major problem. But once software come into the market, we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. That is the reason we can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere across the world nowadays. So this is all about what here? Scalability. So we can achieve scalability using what? Software. So these are the three major advantages of using what? software applications? Yes or no? What is the first advantage? Speak out all of you.
Time.
Saves your time, provides the security, and also we can achieve
Scalability.
scalability. I hope everyone understands these examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the three major advantages of using software application. Understand, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is only one side of the coin. Now I'm going to discuss about what is this? Difficulties of using what? Software applications in the business. Point clear, all of you? What is the next point I'm going to discuss? Difficulties of using software applications in the business. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Everybody please mute. Everybody please mute. Let us take a small example here. Let us take a small example. I have a company. My company name is called XYZ company. For this company, I need some software application. So I given this project to a company called TCS. What is TCS here? A development company. TCS point of view, who is XYZ company? XYZ company belongs to client, yes or no? So here, TCS need to develop the application or TCS need to develop the project as per the client requirement, that is XYZ company, yes or no? If TCS wants to develop the project as per the XYZ company requirement or as per the client requirement, is TCS need some programming language or not?
Yes.
Definitely.
They need some operating system or not? And also they need some database. So without having these three, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. That everybody knows this point. So programming language, operating system, database. These are the three minimum prerequisites to develop any project for any company. So in this particular example, TCS decided to develop this application using one of the programming language called C#. What is the programming language name? C#. So C# programming language developed by which company? Microsoft. So now TCS need to purchase the original licensed software from Microsoft company or not? Speak out, all of you. TCS is not supposed to use pirated software.
We have to buy the original.
Yeah, TCS need to use original software. TCS is not supposed to use what? Pirated software. In Hyderabad, America, everything is pirated only. Yes or no? But if you go for real time, no development company can use what? Pirated software. They have to purchase the original license from vendor companies. So Microsoft company is a vendor company for this product, and TCS invested some amount, approximately 5 lakhs. They purchased the software from which company here? Microsoft company. But C# is not only sufficient. They need some operating system and as well as database also. That is why TCS decided to use Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is also developed by which company? Microsoft. It's cost around approximately 10 lakhs. And database, they decided to use Oracle database. Oracle database cost around 15 lakhs. Tell me approximately altogether TCS invested how much here? We got guys. TCS invested how much? 5 lakhs plus 10 lakhs.
30
plus
lakhs.
15 lakhs. Total how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs invested with TCS. They purchased these three products from all these three vendor companies, and they develop the project as per the client requirement. All of you understand, guys?
Yes.
Okay. And tomorrow, this
Yes.
client also going to use this application or not? If the client wants to use this application, even client also need to purchase all these three products or not? Now tell me, in this example, client also need to invest how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Now tell me, all of you, 30 lakhs business coming from TCS company and another 30 lakhs business coming from client to whom here? To vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So vendor companies getting more revenue from both client and as well as TCS companies here. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Now tell me, among these three people, clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, vendor companies getting more profit and more business. That is the reason vendor company owners are the most visionary people in the market and also the most wealthiest persons in the market. Who are the most wealthiest persons in the market? Vendor company owners. Tell me, who is Bill Gates?
Microsoft. My
Microsoft
friend.
owner. Yes or no? Speak out. Who is Larry Ellison? Oracle company owner. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook owner. Who are these people? Vendor company owners or not?
Yeah.
Elon Musk.
Vendor company owners are the most wealthiest persons in the world because they are getting more business, more profit than clients and as well as development companies. I hope all of you understand this example clearly. Yes or no? Hello, guys. Speak out, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my question is, excuse me. Here my question is, TCS invested 30 lakhs. They purchased these three products from this Microsoft company and Oracle company. Tell me, is TCS can use these products lifelong, forever and ever?
No.
No,
No.
sir.
No.
They give the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years.
Right.
Sir, after 5 years, excuse me, don't make noise in the class. After 5 years, again, TCS need to renew the software or renew the product. Yes or no? Or renew the license, I can say. Clear? Means that development companies and clients, these two people, they keep on what? Upgrade the software.
Or need to buy the license again.
Yeah, upgrade the software. They need to install the software and also they need to
Pay for the subscription.
maintain the software. Clear, all of you? Both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, it leads to increase the, what is this? Speak out.
Cost. Increase the setup cost.
It is good. It is going to increase the setup cost for both whom? For both clients and also
Service.
what? Development company. All of you understand the point clearly? For both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by clients and as well as development companies on their own. Then it leads to what happens? It leads to increase the, speak out, setup cost. Cost will increase like anything, day by day like anything for both clients and as well as development companies. Am I clear this point, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Because of the setup cost, only top level companies only top level companies, or I can say premium level companies. Top level companies or premium level companies. Someone need to mute, please. Subhashis Roy, please mute. Only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small companies. I'll give you one example about this. Suppose, I hope all of you know about KFC. Yes or no? Are Baba, speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know
Yes,
about
sir.
KFC. In Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. I'm going to compare KFC with bakery here. Suppose I'm going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. Here, if I order one burger, there is a person who is standing in front of the system. He enters my order, he gives some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It means that is KFC people using software applications in their business or not? Yes, they are
Yes.
using software applications in the business. They are having its own systems. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am going to the bakery. Suppose I ordered same burger here, but bakery owner do not maintain any software, do not maintain any systems. He just take the order and give the order to me. That's it. Now tell me, according to this point, what do you understand is why KFC using software applications in their business? Why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe. Sir, no. KFC business turnover in crores.
Yeah.
But whereas bakery business turnover, maximum thousands or lakhs. Yes or no? Very good.
Yes.
That is why KFC can afford what? Setup cost, but not bakery owner. According to this example, what do you understand is only top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Software applications in their business, but not small companies. All of you understand this example, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, if you decrease the cost, that customers automatically increase or not? Simple business funda. Suppose, take a small example. Right now, I wore, suppose, a Levi's t-shirt. T-shirt? Levi's t-shirt. This cost around 2,000 rupees. Tell me, out of how many people, out of 100 people, how many people can afford for 2,000 rupees for night t-shirt? Maximum?
3%.
30%. So 30%. So 30 people can buy. So Levi's company getting how much profit? How much business? Only 60,000 business. Clear all of you? In case Levi's company reduce the t-shirt cost, maybe 500. Okay. Then how many people can buy here?
80%. 80.
How many people we can buy? Or maybe 1,000 rupees.
80.
Reduce. How many people can buy out of 100 people? 90 people can buy. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So he will get how much profit? How much business? 90,000 business. Clear all of you? It means that if you reduce the cost, then customers will increase. If customers will increase, you will get more profit, more revenue. Yes or no? I want immediate response from
Yes,
all
sir.
of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here also we have to reduce the setup cost. If you reduce the cost, then customers automatically increase. Okay, guys. But how to reduce the cost here? How to reduce the cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called something like what? Speak out.
Cloud storage or
computing.
cloud computing.
Cloud computing. It is a concept, or I can say it is a technology. In this technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we require. Everything will provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those, what is this? Services. This is the meaning of what? Cloud computing. Once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully, all of you. It is a concept or a technology. Whatever IT services we require here, everything will provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Actually, before I start the class, somebody asking, sir, so what is the configuration laptop I need to use? What I said, make sure that your internet connection should be speed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember, all of you, just now somebody asked before I start the session today.
Yes, sir.
Remember, like that
Yes,
here
sir.
also, the only thing you require is what? Internet connection. If we have the internet connection, every service provided by whom here? Vendor company. Actually, in the traditional system, in the olden days, both clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own, and they have to maintain the software on their own. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by clients and development companies. But nowadays, once cloud computing come into the market, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. That is why the moment cloud computing come into the market, both clients and development companies, they will release the burden from upgrading the software, installing the software, and also maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. All of you understand what I am speaking here? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For your better understanding, I'm going to give a small example regarding cloud computing. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Every day, I want to check my mails and also need to take printout. So what I have to do? If I want to check my mails, if I want to take the printout, I need to buy some laptop or not. And also I need to buy some printer. I need to buy some stationery, white papers, etc. And also I need to take some internet connection from ISP. You got all of you. And every month I need to pay the rent for this. Tell me, laptop costs around approximately how much? 50,000. Printer cost approximately 20,000. Stationery approximately 2,000. Internet connection every month I need to pay near about 1,500. Tell me, approximately near about 70 to 80,000 rupees I have to spend or not? No. For just browsing only 5 minutes per day, and also need to take what? Printout. Tell me, investing 80,000 rupees for just browsing the mails and take the printout, I think it's unnecessary for us. Yes or no? Yes. So to avoid this problem, simply, instead of purchasing all these things, simply I'm going to some internet center or any browsing center. Here, all of you. There I can check my mails. There I can take the printout. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, in the internet center, who purchased all the systems? Who purchased the printer? Who purchased the stationery?
Shop
Who took
owner.
the internet connection? Everything is maintained by internet center owner. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes,
As a user,
sir.
I simply go there. As a user, I simply go there and access the services. I paid the amount and come back. That's it. Here, everything will be taken care of by internet center owner. Yes or no? In
Yes,
the
sir.
same way, in the cloud computing is also everything will be taken care of by Vendor company.
Vendor company.
Whatever services you require, everything provided by vendor company. And whatever services we are using, for that service only we have to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. Yes or no? This
Yes, sir.
process can be called as a pay-per-use model. What is this?
Pay-per-use model.
Pay-per-use model. Pay-per-use means how much services we are using. For that service only we need to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. That is, it can be called as pay-per-use. Or the other way around, we can call it as plug and play. And also we can also be called as what? IT services on demand. You understand the point clearly?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about what? Cloud computing. Concept is very simple, guys. It's not a rocket science. Even a layman also can easily understand this concept. I hope you understand this example. If you
Yes,
understand
yes.
this example,
Yes, sir.
you can easily understand
Yes,
what is
sir.
cloud computing means.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let me coming back to the first point. I ask one question to Dheeraj. What is my question here? What is Salesforce? Till now, I'm not getting the answer from anybody. I will tell the answer. What is Salesforce? A Salesforce is a vendor company, just like what? Microsoft, IBM, and all. Understand all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This company started in 1999, San
Yes, sir.
Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark. What is this? Who's this? Mark
Benioff.
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 Yeah, this company runs on the concept name is called
Cloud computing.
cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
So if anybody asks, what is Salesforce, what is the answer? A Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name, it's called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by a vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. And whatever services we are using, for that service only we need to pay to vendor company. That is why this can be called as pay-per-use model or plug and play model or IT services on demand model. I
Model.
hope you understand all these points clearly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now Dheeraj got a doubt. What is this Dheeraj doubt is? Or you keep on saying that the vendor company provides what? Services. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company basically provides three types of services. How many?
3 times.
Three types. The first type of service can be called as IaaS. The second type of service can be called as PaaS. The third type of service can be called as SaaS, or the other way around, we can call it as what? AAAS. This is clear, all of you. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, or application as a service.
Service.
So these are the three services provided by vendor company over the cloud. What are all these services? What is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? What is platform as a service? What is software as a service? Everything we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So in today's session, we just discussed only 2 points. Point number 1 is what is Salesforce? Point number 2 is what is
Cloud computing.
cloud computing. Only these 2 points, last 1 hour we discussed. I hope you understand these 2 points. Regarding these 2 points, if anybody have any doubts, you please ask the questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Janvi.
Yeah, Janvi, go ahead.
Yeah, so the class is going to be every day at the same time.
Yeah, same time, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Okay, and there's so this weekend there's no class, right?
Saturday, Sunday you don't have class. Saturday have session.
Okay,
6
so
days a week.
Okay, I'm joining from Dallas, Texas, so I had the confusion, but thank you.
Now, is this time is amicable for you to attend?
Yes, for the next 2 months, yes.
No problem. Then you can attend. You can continue. So how you feel about the session, Janvi?
It's quite good, sir. Thank you so much.
So what about others, guys?
Yes, sir.
Your teaching style and storytelling ability is very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Sir.
It
Thank
was
you,
a good
guys.
session, sir.
So I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I would like to learn only the admin part, Salesforce admin part.
Okay, no problem. You can attend.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt. Okay.
Yeah.
So currently I'm working as a process trainer. Okay. And my graduation is not done. I'm only 12th pass guy. Okay. I am dropout. Okay. BE dropout in a third year. So is this course is helpful for me if I want to join any IT company?
Not required.
I'm
This
living
was
in Indore. Okay.
this is enough for you guys. It's enough for you. And I will tell you one important point. Okay. Down the line, next 10 years, sales was very good in the market.
Yes, sir. Sir, just pardon, sir. Sir, just allow me a minute. Okay. So this course is helpful for me, yes. Or is there any entry barrier for the graduation guys?
Yeah, that is helpful for you. No problem.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
No problem.
Sai, I have a question. Salesforce, we understand like Salesforce from product point of view and other things. You explained very nicely. Thank you very much for that. Do we have any competitor in terms of like what services Salesforce provide? And
yeah, there are so many competitors are there because almost everybody in the cloud only. In Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft.
So, so mostly like all the customized service provider, all the customized product product providers are like other competitor of Salesforce.
So,
yes,
sir,
obviously. But the point is, what's your name?
Both are the same service. Both are the same type of services. AWS and Salesforce.
Almost every company provide all three services, but each company is top in one area. For example, Amazon company is top number one company in case of what? Infrastructure as a point clear?
Infrastructure as well as PaaS also, or like only
no,
for IT?
Amazon company is the top number one in case of infrastructure, not PaaS. Okay. But which is the company, number one company in the area of PaaS is Salesforce. And Google company is the top number one company in the world, which gives what? PaaS area. That is why, see, you know about Gmail. Gmail application developed by Google company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 99% people having Gmail account nowadays. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So software as service or application service means vendor company directly providing application service to all of us. That kind of service you can call it as application service. Point clear. So Amazon company is the top number one company in the case of what? Infrastructure. Salesforce company is the world number one company in the world in case of platform. Google company is the number one company in the world in the area of what? Application service.
Sir, Salesforce is not a SaaS-based application.
Sorry?
Salesforce is not a SaaS-based application.
No, Salesforce provided one platform.
Okay.
The platform name is called force.com. What is the platform name?
Force.com.
On this platform, as a developer, we can develop application.
Okay.
And whatever application you develop, that application you can directly give as a service to all of us. That kind of service, we can call it as what? Application as service.
Okay.
I hope you understand this point.
Yes, sir.
Old name can be called as force.com. A new name can be called as right platform.
So, Sai, if Oracle comes very close to Salesforce in terms of PaaS?
Actually, Salesforce using database, Oracle database on the back end.
Right, but when it comes to the front end, right, it's more of the customization. Sorry if I'm dragging you or like if I'm just deviating from the main point. You can skip this question.
No problem. Go ahead. You can ask.
Yeah, so my only curiosity is like to know, I understand like it's more from the platform, right? The back end would be it could be clubbed of all jargons, IT jargons, I could call it as. It could be Oracle, it could be DB2, it could be Sybase or anything, SQL Server. But ultimately it's like
But
how we are
Salesforce, no,
actually
no.
presenting.
Salesforce exclusively used backend database Oracle only.
Okay, thank you for
And
that one.
front end
So
they're using Apex programming language.
So ultimately, how we are presenting the data to the customer or to the client, and which way how conveniently like we are presenting it to the business. Now that's where like my question is coming to like, okay, Salesforce is one of very powerful tool in that way, but do we have any when you say like 10 years, right? Is like say passes. So do we see someone else is also like chasing Salesforce or like coming very close to it?
Yeah, there are many companies are competitors for Salesforce company.
Dynamics,
Okay.
Siebel.
Okay, there are so many companies are there, but ultimately what happens is Salesforce given the very strongest platform for the developers on which developer can develop application very quickly. That's it can be called as RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. I'll give you an example. Suppose. So if you want to develop any kind of enterprise application that is shown like this, enterprise application is a combination of 3 different applications: business application, plus CRM application, plus integration application. Understand? If you want to develop enterprise application using some Java or .NET or Python, you take any technology apart from Salesforce, it takes minimum 4 to 5 years time.
Understand?
Minimum to minimum. Understand? Excuse me. Someone need to mute, please. It takes minimum 4 to 5 years time. The same kind of application, if you want to develop it on platform, force.com, on Salesforce, we can develop maximum 8 to 9 months of time. Understand this point clearly? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So how it is possible? Because Salesforce internally supports 10 different technologies. How many?
10 different technologies.
Yeah. Because of that reason, Salesforce is very top number in the position compared to other companies.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir,
No problem.
One question is that. Hello. Sir, one question is that each Apex programming language is used for front end only.
Yeah, Apex programming language is meant for business purpose, business logic purpose. Front end, we are using Visual Force.
And supposed to backend for JavaScript and Node.js. Am I right?
Backend database they are using.
Okay.
Front end, they are using what? Visual Force. In JavaScript, we are using JavaScript in Lightning part.
Okay.
Lightning, we are using what? JavaScript.
Sure. One question. One question is
actually,
the content.
I'm sorry, guys, because immediately I have another session for US company people. They're waiting for me.
Sir,
So,
one last question.
Yeah.
So the content which you are going to tell in next 3 months, is it for the real time people so that the people can after joining the company they can manage, right?
Why not?
Okay.
Undoubtedly.
So I have a question.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Janvi again.
Yeah, Janvi, tell me.
So the once if we are through this course, is it can we give examination and for admin?
At the end of every module, I'm going to conduct a small interview kind of thing. I'm going to discuss about interview questions.
Okay.
And also, I'm going to take some practice test.
Okay, that's awesome, sir. But my question is that once we finish this whole course, can we be confident enough to take the certification for admin app developer PD1?
Obviously.
Okay.
I'll give the dumps also. I already told you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Certification dumps I'll give you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sir, will you teach LWC or just Aura components?
Aura components I will cover. LWC separate batch.
Separate batch.
Sir, for Aura components,
We have to pay extra for LWC.
See, I have only 2 years. I can hear only one person at a time.
Sorry. Sorry, my question is for LWC, we have to pay extra?
Yes, it is separate batch. It's not covered. LWC is not covering here.
Okay.
So the 6 modules will continue initially is configuration, now development, then integration, like that, or any difference?
Actually, if you want to go through rest of all the 5 modules, before that everybody should learn or should have the knowledge on configuration. Without configuration, you cannot go to any other module. Point clear?
Yeah.
Generally, this is my way of explanation. This is the flow I
Actually,
am
I'm
following
looking
generally.
development and integration part. So after configuration, development integration will come, right? So that's why I'm asking.
After configuration, generally development and integration and administration I am following. This is my order I am following. But some people request me, sir, after configuration, please let me start administration. I want to go for administration side like this. So based on
I have a doubt. Okay. Suppose post this course, we need to buy some another course like the development or integration or administration.
Nothing, everything is covered here only.
Okay, everything is covered in this 6 steps.
Yes.
Okay.
It already told you how many modules I am going to cover in your syllabus.
But you said LWC is different.
LWC is different, lightning is different. Lightning I am covering only Aura components.
So we need to buy one more courses for this.
One more course means which course you want?
I think you told this thing na ki you need to learn lighting in another session, or
that is LWC. That is totally different topic.
LWC is totally different. Okay, sir.
Sir,
if you want to go for LWC, if you have the knowledge in Aura components, you can understand LWC easily.
Okay, hello. We don't have any more.
Understand? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, all of you.
Hello. Sir, I need a hello. Hello.
He just got a call.
The people are waiting for me, guys. The other batch.
Sir, LWC.
Hey guys, if you have any, it said it takes LWC takes 40 days time, guys.
14 sir, I need. I have a question, sir. Hello.
See, if you have any questions, we'll continue tomorrow, guys. Sorry.
Sir, the CPQ is. Sir, I need one question, sir.
Yeah,
CPQ are going to teach, sir. CPQ.
CPQ is totally different. Without having this knowledge, you cannot go for CPQ, man. For this,
No,
we
sir.
have to go for. We need to buy a separate server for that.
Okay.
So that is very expensive, actually.
Okay.
You want to? I will teach you CPQ, no problem.
Okay.
Sir, hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My
Okay,
name
thank
is
you, sir.
Deepti. I'm from California. Do you teach in other time also? Because it's little bit early for me.
So I think it's night 8 o'clock means for you it's morning 9:30. I hope so. Is it right?
No, it's 6:30 for me in the morning.
Oh.
And it's 10:30 for me, so here in the morning.
Sir, do you have any morning batches? Which is
So I will start a new batch morning, but very soon because I'm occupying some of the batches morning time. I'm quite busy from evening 5 o'clock onwards. That is the reason. You have to wait another at least 1 month.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, sir.
So what is my suggestion is please continue in this batch. The moment I started the new batch, I will let you know. You can join in that batch. No problem.
So do you have any batches starting
Thank you, sir.
for the evening?
Sir, you said after Pongal you will start a morning batch. Is it already started or?
It's not yet started. I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you understand and you enjoy the session today.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What about
Thank
others,
you,
guys?
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful session.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'll catch you tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So you're all joined for Salesforce. any one of you please tell me, before I start the session, I need to discuss one important point here. In your syllabus, we are going to discuss 6 modules, guys. I'm going to cover 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module is configuration. The second one is development. Third one is integration. Last one is administration. So 1 minute, please, guys.